the MagSafe charger from Apple. Today we're unboxing and trying it on the cases, which have their own unboxing video. Then when the iPhone 12 Pro we're all waiting for arrives, we can see how it all comes together. Subscribe with a bell icon so you know once that comes out, and give this a like if it helps. Let's unbox. No stickers because it's an accessory, just a bunch of paperwork that I'm sure is important. I'm so glad this arrived early. I know stores have already had it before me though, so you can possibly get one today. I'm just limiting myself from going to the Apple store. Yeah, no more than 3 times a week. I think the $39 will be worth it. It's 15 watts, so a decent fast charge, and especially made for the new iPhones. The magnets should work like magic on it. It feels real good and has a nice texture. This is also an early investment for the future when you eventually upgrade. I seem to do so every other year. But hey, this channel is growing thanks to your support. Soon I can possibly upgrade every year and get more devices to show here. I'm pretty sure this is just the beginning of Apple's innovation for wireless charging. They've already previewed a folio-style double charger, so you can charge your Apple Watch at the same time. I don't think I'm the only one thinking that they're introducing MagSafe to prepare for a completely portless iPhone. I like that I won't have to aim for a port, and I can place it without worry of missing the middle. Those who know wireless charging know how bad that could go. It's nice how it stays on, so I can use the phone while charging. One last thing I just found out is that using an NFC system, your iPhone actually will know that this is connected to it. That's my initial impression. It looks good so far. You'll hear about it more on a future video with the iPhone 12 Pro, or I might end up with a Mini or a Max, who knows. Those who use the convenience of Amazon can purchase this through my link in my description below. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.